Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to do something very exciting, and I'm going to be opening a booster box of Yu-Gi-Oh cards, and I haven't done this in quite some time. I did sell off my entire collection years ago because I wanted to get a new car, and I invested into that. So this is what I have left over for my collection, and just some cards I thought were pretty cool, and I wanted to keep it in my little small collection that I hid away. And I finally found them, along with some World of Warcraft cards that I was having fun with too while I was hardcore playing years ago, and had a lot of fun with that. So I don't have sleeves for this booster box, and that's gonna be a little bit of a pain, but here it is. And I haven't opened a booster box in so long. It's been several years. And oh, here's my really cool knife I just got this past week. And I wanted to get a nice little knife for work, and also just for protection. Now I just need a knife for opening boxes and stuff. So here is the booster box, and this one was about $100. And this is the TOON Chaos box. Wow. So the reason why I bought this box is because I downloaded Duel Links again on my computer, and I started playing it, and I had so much fun playing it, and I was like, let me take a look at some of the new stuff out there and see what's going on with the card game. And then I saw this new release of TOON Chaos, and they have a TOON Blackluster Soldier. I was like, oh my. I'm an old school Yu-Gi-Oh player, and I've been playing, well, I started playing when it first came out. So I had like the first edition starter deck of Seto Kaiba along with Yugi's, which my brother had, and that was a lot of fun just growing up and playing the game. And now seeing how much it's grown, it's crazy. So enough talking here, but I just wanted to express to you why I got back into it and why I'd like to start collecting. As far as playing goes, I probably won't play because it's a little bit more complicated today than it ever was, and I just kind of don't like that. So I'll just stick to collecting and having some fun with unboxing this stuff. And before we go any further, I will take some pictures for my thumbnail. That way we don't lose the wrapper here. So I'll be right back. Alright, so let's dive into this. And this is an English edition, first edition, and a new rarity. And I haven't kept up with the game for several years now, so I might not recognize a lot of the names or new characters or whatever, or the new different styles. So let's just dive into it here, and I'll just cut a corner so I don't mess up the box. There we go. This is so exciting. I haven't done a booster box opening in such a long time, and the cards that I really want are the soldier cards, and obviously the TOON Blackluster Soldier. And I saw that he's only available in ultra rare. It says 1 foil card in every pack, 7 cards per pack. Okay. Wow, I haven't done this in a while, guys. Wow, I'm coming back in style. Look at that, beautiful. So let's dive into the first pack here. And I don't know who these guys are, so forgive me, but it's been so long. Alright, open up nice and easy. There's Crossover, Mask Hero Blast, rare. All these are rare, right? Witch of the Black Forest. Wow, that's super old school. And the first edition is now located on the bottom. That's strange. I like it more up there. Oh, and TOON Harpy Lady. What? There's a TOON Harpy Ladies? That's cool. I gotta make sure there's no crumbs. I'm always eating on my desk. And Pot of Desires. Banish 10 cards from the top of your deck face down, draw 2 cards. You can only activate 1 pot of desires per turn. Cool. Well, the True King, the Disaster, I'm not even going to pronounce that. And number 68, Sana Fawn, the Sky Prison. Whoa. I love the artwork on some of these cards. They look amazing. And let me know if some of this stuff is any value or whatever. It doesn't really matter to me, but I'd like to collect some of the old school cards. So if you guys are interested in trading, please let me know. I'd like to get back into it. And right off the bat, we have a new card. This is a Link card. Proglio. Oh, nice. We have one of the soldiers. We have Blackluster Soldier, Envoy of the Beginning. I love this card so much. It's one of my favorites. And this is why I kind of returned back, because they brought these guys out. Or whatever. There's like a variety of these Luster Soldiers or whatever. Whatever. Masked Hero Diane. And Eternal Chaos for our foil. This is a super rare, if I'm not mistaken. And oh, look at that beauty. Oh, we got Chaos Emperor Dragon, Envoy of the End. I love this card too. I remember when I was playing, these cards were so good and they were banned because they were too powerful. A Stardust Dragon, nice, beautiful card. And Envoy of Chaos. Oh, these are gonna look so cool in my binder. I do have a larger binder that one of my viewers sent me, and Haley, she used to be, she's no longer watching my videos now. I'm just kidding. No, hey, she's a subscriber to the channel, and thank you so much, Haley, for giving me the opportunity to buy your cards. And I still have your binder. Yes, this is one I wanted. The Blackluster Soldier, Envoy of the Evening Twilight. What? Look at that guy. Dang, that is beautiful. That's nice. Proglio. And we have Frightfur Sabertooth. And another Chaos Emperor Dragon. Wow. That's a beautiful card. And we have Mud Dragon of the Swamp. Toon World. Very good. If you guys are interested in more unboxings, please let me know in the comment section down below. I like to try to spice up the channel a little bit with different content and not always about homebrew stuff. Keeper of Dragon Magic. Oh, he looks cool. I'll try to get back into playing the game. I just feel like I'm gonna fail big time because I've been lacking so much in trying to understand the game for several years now. Gearbred, but Duel Links is gonna have me get back into it for sure. Curse of Dragonfire. Whoa, this is Cursed Dragon but a different style. And Chaos Space for our foil, super rare. We didn't get an ultra rare yet, did we? No, they're all supers. And we have the True King, the Disaster, same one. Masked Hero Goka. And Blackluster Soldier, Sacred Soldier. What? This is another one I wanted. Wow. That is nice. I'm loving this. I'm already happy with what I got. But I'd love to get that TOON. Please, let me get the TOON. That's why I bought this box. Supervise. Chaos Sorcerer. Elemental Hero, Solid Soldier. And Magician of Hope. Look at that beautiful card. Wow, the foils are looking very nice these days. A lot more detail. Beautiful. Masked Hero Goka, Chaos Zone, and Sankan. What? Old school. They're going old school in these booster packs. And I do play a lot of Duel Links right now. And if you guys are interested in me opening packs on there, that would be fun too. Light Pulsar Dragon. Nice. Curse of Dragonfire. Gearbreed. And Sublimation Knight. Cool. And Synod Codic. Dwarf Star Dragon Planeteer. Cool. Alright, on to pack number, lost count. Just opening them away, not taking up too much time. Mascuro Acid for our foil. And Pot of Desires. Again. Yeah, I'd like to not take too much time in unboxing these and just get straight to the point, right? I was so excited to see this in the mail today because they said it was going to release on July 2nd and they already shipped it, which made no sense. I got this off Amazon. I'll have a link in the description if you're interested in buying a booster box. Dark Flare Dragon, Mascuro Dian. Nice, another Black Luster Soldier, but I need the TOON. Frightfur Meister. Envoy of Chaos. Is this like the same, but he's like a little, yeah it is. So I'll keep him in this pile. I think there was another one in here. Stardust Dragon and Dwarf Star Dragon Planetaire. Can't really pronounce these names. Sorry. Keeper of Dragon Magic. Psyframe Driver, Witch of the Black Forest, that's old school. And Valkyrie Sigron. Whoa, look at all those stars. Look at all those stars. Ooh, nice. Another Sacred Soldier. It's gonna look good in the binder when I have them all there. I think a lot of people call me crazy that I'm just collecting the cards, not really playing the game, but I don't care. I'm just having some fun here. And it doesn't matter. There we go. I'll show you guys what's left over in the booster box here. Whoops. Sorry about that. I'm just trying to get more organized. Alright, so Gemini, Abomination, and the Chaos Creator. Oh, this is ultra rare. Nice. Cool, we have our first ultra rare, and probably the only ultra rare in this booster box. That's sad. Hopefully I get lucky. And I have, let's see, not much left. Yeah, I'm not going to plan on doing a bunch of Yu-Gi-Oh! Unboxings, but I'll do several here and there. Just to have some fun. Elvicator, Aveki, Signet Codec, Starlight Road. Here's our super rare. It sounds like my daughter just woke up. Sorry about that. Try to keep her asleep when I'm recording. Gearbrid, I can never pronounce that. Chaos Valkyria. Ooh, another one. I'll take it. So what do you guys think of Yu-Gi-Oh cards? I think they're a lot of fun to collect. I had a whole bunch of them. Magician of Hope. Whoa, we got a lot of those. The Sacred Soldier. Supervise, Chaos Sorcerer, very old school card. And number 75. Bamboozling Gossip Shadow. Yeah, so let me know if you guys are interested in trading. I'd love to trade for some old school stuff. Love the old school cards more than anything. Witch of the Black Forest. Nice. We have Evening Twilight. And Fluffle Angel. Another pot. And a lot of these pots. Pot of Greed. Pot of Greed. Is that still banned? Witch of the Black Forest. Frightfur again. Come on. I need that TOON. Please. I don't know what the new rarity is. I don't really see it. Can you guys tell me in the comment section down below? There's our ultra rare super magic sword of Reptinus. So we did get 2 ultra rares. Or 3. Go. Let me know how this video turned out. Microcoder. If I could do a better job on recording or a better placement of the cards or whatever you'd like to see for future unboxing card videos. We can move this box out of the way. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs left. This is not looking good. I'd like to pull him on like the first 5, 7 packs to get it out of the way. There's that guy. Chaos Space, Stardust Dragon, Envoy of Chaos. Come on, TOON, I can feel it. I can feel it. Try to speed it up here a little bit. And Evocator. No. I don't really watch a lot of YouTubers. I never did. Only the Your Yugioh channel, which is now gone. Unfortunately, one of my favorite channels is now gone. The Mask Hero Acid. I was really sad to see them go. But what can you do? People move on, they grow, and retire. Just like I did. But now I'm making my return. Not really, just having some fun here. It's not an official return. Oh, Toon Terror, sucker. There's another one of those. I guess it's not as exciting to get these because there's so many of them. There's just a beautiful card. Come on. 2 packs left. Will I get lucky like I did last time? Years ago when I pulled 2 of them. Pot of Extravagance. Nice. That's ultra rare. That must be a nice card, right? For some of your meta players. And the last and final booster pack. Wish me luck. Come on, give it to me. Give it to me, give it to me, give it to me. Sus! Oh, we did not get it. I'm so sad. No, we got Chaos Valkyria. And that is it for this unboxing. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. I know it's a little different for the channel, but I wanted to have some fun and do something I used to do on the channel years ago. And I was almost known as one of the Yugi tubers, but I was like, no, I just started. I'm barely getting into the scene again with all my unboxing videos. But yeah, that is it. Thank you so much again. Here is what I pulled for my soldiers. And all the envoys of chaos and all that good stuff. It's gonna look really nice in the binder, except for that guy. And Toon World. And that guy too. I don't know what they're doing in there. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section what you think. Give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Any questions, comment down below. And I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video in the future. Take care, and I will see you guys on the next one.